welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Movie Studio 17 Platinum tutorial on slow motion. This is my second attempt now. The first one crashed over and over. I think I know what's happening. This has a new feature in it. You can use your GPU acceleration. So go to Preferences, Options, Preferences, Video. I select my GeForce card, and you have to click OK and restart the computer. Now it's going to be selected. Everything should run probably more stable and quicker, hopefully. Now, before we start here, to make editing easier, go to Video, these two little bars here, click Edit Visible Button Set, show all, using for audio, and do the same for view window. Highlight all these tracks with the control key down and press delete. Now here we have a video clip. A car driving down a highway. I'm going to trim this down a bit. Make it a little bit easier to work with. So let's split this with the S key. Delete. Now the traditional method of slowing clips down in Movie Studio and Vegas is holding the control key down and time stretch it, drag it out. You can go 400%, that's all you can go. And it slows the clip down. But we're going to try the plugin. Vegas Movie Studio 17 has a plugin now that works for slow motion. So we'll go to Event Effects, select slow motion, okay. Now I tried it on course before. It looked terrible. So let's select Fine, and let's Analyze Motion. Now see when it's done. Okay, so currently we're set at half speed. So let's play it back, see what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Now let's let it slower. Let's go to 1/8 speed. Play it back. Now you notice there's some clipping going on there. This is what I notice. You see this distortion on the sides? This will show up when it's rendered. I don't know what's going on. I think it's a bug in the program. You get these distortions on the outside of the motion in Movie Studio 17. And that's not normal. I rendered a video out, and it's doing it in the rendered video as well. So there's a bug in Movie Studio 17 slow motion feature. But in my opinion, that's not a deal killer. They'll fix it. Vegas' Magic is really good at fixing their products if there's bugs in there. So I just want to basically show you what's new with the slow motion feature in Vegas Movie Studio 17. I'll be going through the program in the next couple of days, showing you all the different features of the program. In my opinion, it's worth the upgrade. If you're running an older version like 14, 15, it's wise to upgrade. There's a link in the description below where you can download the program from. And you can just try a free trial and see what you think of it. So in the coming days, I'll be doing more tutorials on this to show all the new features. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.